Hello, in today's quick video I will show you how to change your Clickbank nickname. So you will go to your log into your account, you will go to accounts, you will here click create a nickname. So we're gonna get to account type, we're gonna choose affiliate, nickname, some new nickname like this, and we will sign up. So we cannot actually change our first nickname, but we can add a new nickname to our existing email, and we can use it on the marketplace like this one. So you cannot actually change your first nickname, you can add a second one or third one to your email and use it instead. And that is how you can change your nickname on Clickbank. Thank you guys for watching. If you have some other questions, visit our YouTube down below and see you in the next one. Bye.